hike with us to Khao Chamao Waterfall.
Khao Chamao!
Hi, these are my bodyguards.
Hoy!
Natalie on the side. We have Winter. Winter, where are we?
Beware of fallen branches. The Khao Chamao waterfall is 8-tiered, but only the first 7 tiers are accessible to the public by 1.7 kilometer easy to moderate trail. Let's go! Parkour! Ooh.
Don't make fun of me!
I love it. This is your audition for Survivor.
I will never survive.
You guys.
We are finally on the 5th tier.
Yeah. Let's swim.
We are surrounded.
Go fishes. I'm going your food for today. Go on. Let's go. Look at them biting on my bum.
That's a lot of action.
A lot is going on here. What on earth?
They are biting your bum.
They are.
This pond is about 6 meters deep, so you can dive and you can swim on it. Yep, the fishes. They do nibble, but they don't bite, so don't worry about them and enjoy the water if ever you want to swim. What you gotta be very careful of are the rocks. They are very slippery. And aside from the possibility that an unknown monster from the bottom of the pond might grab you, you don't have to worry about it. Seriously though, swimming on these waters felt so nice. I feel like I'm being hugged by Mother Earth. Love that feeling. And finally, Anna Flor joined me. Sadly, a lot more people came, so we had to go up and continue our hike. And many minutes later, we reached the 7th tier, and someone among us accidentally was
rolling in the sha-la-la-la-la-la.
As you can see, they do have a pond, but it's only up to your ankles. It's really, really shallow. And after soaking in the majestic view of Khao Chamao's 7th tier, we all decided it's time to go back down.
Look at that.
Does it not look like a portal to you? Yeah. See? And out we go. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to visit Khao Chamao Khao Wong National Park. Only 200 baht entrance fee for foreigners.